Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DataGrail to automate identity resolution workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To set up DataGrail for automating identity resolution workflows, start by logging into your DataGrail account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Integrations tab on the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to access the integration settings. Choose the identity resolution provider you want to connect with. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen provider. You may need to enter API keys or authentication credentials. After inputting the necessary information, click Connect. Now, move to the Workflows tab within the platform. Select Create New Workflow to start a new identity resolution workflow. Name your workflow appropriately for easy reference. Next, define the trigger conditions for this workflow. Choose the event that will initiate the identity resolution process. Add the required steps for data mapping and transformation. In this section, specify how data from different sources will be reconciled. You can set rules for handling duplicate records. Once your steps are defined, move to the testing phase. Run a test to ensure that your workflow is functioning as expected. Check for any errors or issues that may arise during testing. If everything looks good, save your workflow. Now, navigate to the scheduling settings. Decide how often you want this workflow to run. Select a schedule that fits your operational needs. Finally, activate your workflow by clicking the Enable button. Monitor the performance of your workflow through the dashboard. Make any necessary adjustments based on the results you observe. Congratulations, you have successfully set up DataGrail to automate identity resolution workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.